What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Kaspa today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. We do not need to make this video too long, all right? I want to be short and brief and concise. We're about to do something big with Kaspa, one of two ways, okay? It's either moving up or moving down. Okay, end of the story. No, we're either about to really break out, and when I mean break out, I mean like potentially to new all-time highs breakout, if not around your all-time highs. Like you're at 14.7 cents now. I'm talking about a move that'll take you probably around, if not above 20 cents. You're about to do that now, or, and more likely, you're going to find resistance at previous areas of support, previous areas of support, support, previous areas of resistance and support and resistance, resistance. You're probably going to find resistance here and then move down. And that same kind of ferocious movement that you're expecting for the upside would actually come to the downside and promote a lower low than anything you've seen in the whole year of, what would it be, the whole year of 2024? The whole year of 2024. Lower prices than you saw. Nope, I'm just kidding, actually. I mean, you could go to lower prices, I suppose, but technically, I guess here on the first week of January, you did actually see lows down at 7.5 cents. So almost all of 2024. Certainly the lowest lows you've seen in the last year. If you reject this area, which I think you will, from a relative low to a relative high, the target area that you would expect to see is about 8.5 cents to 6.86 cents. So it is possible we could go to the lowest prices we've seen in all 2024, but more likely than not, I would think we stop around 8.5 to 7.8 cents. That's my guess. It's very common. I should say it's increasingly common. It's something that I've noticed recently in the fibs. Is this kind of weird? It's weird, but you pull down all the way to your 886 like you mean it, and you go all the way up to your 382, or sometimes your 236. Maybe it's the area. I'm having a hard time. I'm trying to get enough analysis of this kind of thing happening so I can make a video of it, because I think it's a new pattern that I've noticed recently, or it's a new, let's call it like a schematic, like a fib schematic, I don't know, a ratio retracement, I don't know. If it plays out the way I think it would, then you very much would go down here, right? You're at the bearish end of this. Let's see if I can find something that's like a bullish end of this, right? BCH I think has this, maybe. Let's see, high to low. No, it wouldn't be there. I'm just looking for an example. Maybe it's not BCH. No, I think it is. Okay, high to low here, yeah. High to low right here, look. 886 to your 382, but you're at the bullish end. You see what I'm saying? 886 down to your 382, you're at the bullish end of it. Here, 886 up to the 382, you're at the bearish end of it. Right? I'm expecting Bitcoin Cash here, based off this move, I'm actually expecting it to go all the way up to its 1886. Could you KAS go all the way down to your 1886 here at 5.8 cents? I don't know. It doesn't translate like that just because one target for one chart carries over to the next. It doesn't carry like that, but we are at 14.7 cents now. Likely, if we cannot get above 15 cents, and I don't think you will see prices at 8.5 cents, if not 6.8 cents. Prove me wrong. And all it would take to prove me wrong is get 2 days, not today, 2 days. One day and then another day, back to back, that close above 15 cents. If you can get 2 days in a row to close above 15 cents, I'll start to consider that I'm wrong. I'll start to consider that you actually do move up potentially to 20 cents or higher, potentially to new all-time highs, and that my whole theory that I've made for the past, I don't know how long now, at least a month, that your all-time high is already in and you're about to move down, it would be wrong. You're at 14.7 cents now. It shouldn't be that hard for you to close above 15 cents. I'm still not expecting it. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame here. The 4-hour RSI kind of looks nice. A bit overextended, yeah, cooling off, but you got some lower lows with some higher lows. It's actually a good thing. It's not a bad thing at all. 4-hour is somewhat suggestive you'd move up. So if the 4-hour is suggestive that you'd move up, then 4 hours is a relatively short time frame, right? You get 6 4-hour periods in each given day. So already today we've had 1, 2, almost 2. We've got 4 more to go. You could absolutely move up in that time, but if you don't, if you're not, essentially what this is saying, especially with the posturing you have here, if you're not above 15 cents by today, likely you just won't. You're just going to go down. because you're bullishly postured, so you either do or you don't, right? It's not, oh, I'm bullishly postured, let's just wait and keep figuring it out. Maybe I'll get more bullishly postured. No, that goes on, you get bearishly postured, and then you dunk, right? Bullish posturings need the ramifications that come with that. If not, you get the opposite ramifications, right? Or I guess those would be proper ramifications because they'd actually be negative. Anyways, the ball's in your court. The ball is definitely in the bull's court. It's in the Kaspa knots, KAS holes, whatever you want to call yourselves court. But you need to get above 15 cents. I would love it. I would love to be proven wrong. I really would. I would be so ecstatic for the Kaspa community if I could be proven wrong. I don't know if I will. But I will say this. Your short-term time frames look bullish, which I wasn't expecting. And that could be your best argument for negating me, because all you got to do is close a little higher. And when I say close a little higher, again, you can close you've already closed periods above the 15-cent price. I need you to close 2 days above 15 cents. But if you start closing today above 15 cents, it would definitely make me start to think that I could be wrong. But if you close today above 15 cents and then tomorrow you're back below 15 cents, I don't know. I want multiple days to be convinced. The 15-minute RSI looks bullish. The 1 hour absolutely looks bullish. The 4 hour looks bullish. The daily actually is at an area that you would expect to find resistance, and then the price action's at an area you'd expect to find resistance. And then based off the fibs, it makes sense that you find resistance. Conflicting dynamics. With the short-term time frames on your side, I would say that the ball's in the bull's court. You gotta move up higher. I got nothing else for you guys, man. I feel like I'm running out of steam. It's the end of the night for me, so I'm gonna end it there. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Make no mistake, guys. Kaspa, regardless of what it does, even if it sees new all-time highs, it will likely not outperform Bitcoin. It will likely not outperform the rest of the market. Kaspa, while it was glorious in its heydays, in its prime, it's not there anymore. It will likely underperform the market. This is Kaspa versus Bitcoin, just to show you, okay? Kaspa versus Bitcoin on a weekly basis, okay? Looking at this here, Kaspa versus Bitcoin has been in a downtrend since November of 2023. You've had nothing but lower highs and lower lows, and your RSI looks like shit. To be fair, right here, your weekly RSI does look like it wants to go up a little bit. And on the price action, it would look like you want to go up a little bit. Still, inevitably down, still in a downtrend, sure. But I gotta be honest, guys, like this last part of the video, this right here and the short-term time frames are making me shake in my boots a little bit. I very much could be wrong, but we'll see. I hope I'm wrong. I really do. I might be the only YouTuber who will come to talk smack about a coin so often and have the community talk smack back to him so often. I might be the only person alive who would still want to see those people make money, and I would want to see, at the sake of my own pride and ridicule, I would just being thrown in my face. I would love to see this thing pump. I would love to see it above 15 cents today and tomorrow and the next day. I would love it if it went to new all-time highs and I'm wrong. And I gotta say, I'm a little bit optimistic for you guys, just with the way these charts look right now. Just with the way they look right now. I'm not like hopeful. There's a little optimism. There's a little spark of hope where I thought there was none. So to be completely fair, but anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Even though there's a spark, I'm still expecting dark. Okay, take care. Bye bye.